In the middle of my crisis, I turned to Harvard for solutions because everything I had tried was not working. And so I would never say it's too late to go back to school. My name is Rasheen Jamison Richardson. I'm president and founder of Legacy School of Performing Arts Training Institute in Quincy, Florida. We taught theater, music, we taught dance in rural and underserved communities, impoverished Title I communities. And that work lasted for 15 to 20 years. And I experienced a crisis that challenged me to understand what resilience really means. There was a disaster. Hurricane, 110-mile-per-hour winds damaged the town, damaged the state of Florida. We got water damage, ceiling collapse, content destroyed. As I always tell people, when you're hit by hurricanes and disaster, they don't just destroy buildings, they don't just destroy a property, they destroy dreams. And that's the part I was no match for. I had to sit down and evaluate my purpose. And when I discovered that I have something to say, I have something to see, I have something to give, it led me to academia as the best place and the safest place for that to happen. The last time I was in school was in 2014, and what I was going through was a perfect match for what I actually now wanted to study, which is crisis leadership. I'm building a framework. The framework is called Leadership Redemption, and it is the version of leadership that is focusing more on the leader as the primary source in that ecosystem leading change. And in the midst of disaster, where did they go? So coming to Harvard is what taught me resilience is how strong are those dreams? How strong are you in the midst of challenges? I came here to learn how to rebuild a school. I'm actually leaving, learning how to rebuild me.